dance beneath the silver moon in fields of gold so wide. Now I wander through the memories with a longing deep inside. Oh, where did the time go? When do we lose our way? In the echoes of our laughter, I hear the words we used to say. We danced beneath the silver moon in fields of gold so wide. Now I wander through the memories with a longing deep inside. Oh, where did the time go? When do we lose our way? In the echoes of our laughter, I hear the words we used to say. Seasons change and rivers flow, but my heart still holds you near. Through the highs and all the lows, I'll keep you close, my dear. Now the days are growing shorter and the nights are long and cold, but the fire in my heart for you will never grow old. Oh, where did the time go? When do we lose our way? In the echoes of our laughter, I hear the words we used to say. So here I am beneath the stars, whispering your name. In the silence of the night, I'll love you just the same.